So if your goal is to become financially free, get rich, become a millionaire, make a lot of money, you are in the wrong channel. Okay, jokes aside, what I mean by this is that I cannot teach you something I didn't reach yet. I'm still on my journey to become financially free. I'm like you. So instead, what I can tell you is my experience, things that I wish I was told in my early 20s that could help me get my finance under control. Between us, probably someone already told me these things. I was just too stubborn to listen. So please don't be stubborn and listen carefully. Watch the video. Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel, Joe Becoming a Millionaire, in which I share my journey with you to become financially free. If you are interested in topics such as books, mindset, finance, don't forget to subscribe. Also, please like this video. This will help me speed up the process of becoming a millionaire. Will help me with the YouTube algorithm. Yeah, the YouTube algorithm. So please smash the like button. Also, if you find this interesting or helpful or entertaining or funny, or you want to hate on me or make fun of me, please send it to a friend and do it together. For today's video, as I said in the beginning, I will talk about few things, tips I wish I was told in my early 20s to get my finance under control. These are from my own experience, so you can have your opinion, share it with me in the comment section. So let's move to number one. For number one, I have don't expect to get before you give. You can see this one from a spiritual perspective, as you can see it from a psychological perspective. I believe that when you start giving your time, your energy, your expertise, when you start helping people, you get happier, you start being grateful. At that moment, you will be able to work harder for your goals. Now let's move to number two. Number two actually may seem counterintuitive or the opposite of number one, which is it is actually okay to live by. If it doesn't make money, it doesn't make sense. It is your right to make money, the priority number one in your life. It is okay if you want to cut the crap, if you want to get rid of anything or anyone that doesn't
2 hours later,
who is not adding value to your life. Of course, you are not going to completely forget about the important stuff, which is health and family, but as I said, it is okay to make money the priority. It is okay that you want at some point of your life to focus on money solely. So don't feel guilty about it. Just go for it. It's your goal. Do it and just forget about the rest. For number three, I have something that I want to grab myself, my early 20s self, and punch in the face and tell him, please save your money if you don't have an opportunity to invest it. I am super guilty of this one. At some point of my life in my early 20s, I used to make some extra money, but because I didn't have an opportunity, a good opportunity according to me, in which I could invest, I was just spending that money left and right. 3 years forward, there was a good opportunity in which I could invest. And guess who was broke at that time? This person. So if there is anything I regret in my life, it should be this one. I had like a good opportunity, but I didn't have the money to invest in it. Number four, this one can be a continuation of number three, which is please budget. It doesn't matter what way you are going to budget your money. It doesn't matter how you are going to budget your money. Just budget your money. I personally use the pay yourself first rule from the book The Richest Man in Babylon, which actually I talked about in this video. Here or here, I don't know. Here or here. Number five, read sales and marketing books. I know I talked about this one in one of my old videos, but I cannot stress it enough, the importance of reading marketing books. They will not only help you to market yourself, to learn how to sell stuff online, for example, how to market your videos, promote them, all that stuff, but also they will help you with the techniques marketers use on you to make you sell, to make you buy a lot of things. So that is it for this video. Don't forget to like this video for the YouTube algorithm. Yes, the YouTube algorithm. If you found this interesting, send it to a friend, and that's it. See you next time. It was actually great talking to you.